Oh boy, these are starting to get, when it starts getting into these, at least the 3x3s, that's where I start in my mind saying, okay, Desmos matrix calculator, you are my friend, because I make too many mistakes when I get to start having this many arithmetic steps to do. So this is problem 4 when I'm making this, which is a problem 23. And the way this is going to go for me then is I definitely am going to go and put this in the Desmos matrix calculator. I'm going to put in matrix A, this -1, 1, -3, 4, 0, -1. And maybe it wouldn't be so bad. These numbers look like they might work fairly nicely together. But even so, with as many steps as I may need to make, it's fairly easy to miss one little thing and get it wrong. So I'm going to put that problem into Desmos to work it here. So let's go and give you guys one of my Desmos screen here. Oops, I thought I don't see my matrix that I copied on the screen. I thought that would be here. Let me go back. It is just plain gone. All right, I'm going to write it on paper then to copy it over into the Desmos calculator. Let me see if I copy all these numbers right. It might be a miracle as well. All right, so here we go. We're going to, again, I'm going to jump over to Desmos, I think. I'm going to jump over here. Well, no, I'm not even getting that screen. All right, let me get out of there. Bring up my Desmos screen. All right. I'm going to go into matrix A here, but remember this, ours is now a 3x3. And my first row was -1. This is where it lets me arrow. 1, -3. Second row was 4, 0, -1. And the third row was 0, 8, 4. And my answers on the right side of the augmented matrix, 3 rows now and 1 column, are 24 in the top row. -11 was on the second row, and the bottom row was a 20. And I get done with that, and it just tells me my answer of -4 over here on the right side. Over on the very far right, it's almost easy to miss it. -4, 5, -5. And then when we go to put that in the reduced echelon form in here, just double checking you guys are seeing what I am wanting you to see here. All right, so when you go over to there, remember, diagonals are 1, everything else is 0. Double 0. Really want to make sure it's a 0. I would think that would be okay, but I'm not going to take any chances. And then my far right side for the reduced echelon form are my answers. So I got a 24. Whoops, that's not right. I had a, looking where I wrote it down over here, a -4, a 5, and a -5 if we look at what we had over here in Desmos on the far right. -4, 5, -5. -4. All right, I think that should be it. And I think that's an easier, more certain way to get it right than doing it by hand like we've done on some of the other 2x2s. So let's see. Well done. So Good luck, everybody.